Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
First, orthopedics. The term orthopedics was given by Nicholas Andre, and the term orthopedics is given by the Nicholas Andre, and Nicholas Andre has written the first book of orthopedics, and he is responsible for coining the emblem of orthopedics. Then, father of orthopedics. So, because of these contributions, Nicholas Andre is called as father of orthopedics. Then, father of British orthopedics. Father of British orthopedics is actually H.O. Thomas is the father of British orthopedics. Then father of modern orthopedics is Robert Jones, and father of orthoscopy is Watanabe. Father of orthoscopy is Watanabe. So H.O. Thomas is very important. H.O. Thomas discovered the collar for cervical spine injuries. He also discovered the fixed flexion deformity test of hip. He discovered splint for the lower limb, especially for the tuberculosis of knee, and he has discovered the shoes for CTEB.
thank you and thank you for watching.